Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm FLOWGORITHM and today we're gonna see how to install and run easily the free tool FLOWGORITHM. I'm not gonna cut or edit too much this video to make it easier to understand what I'm doing. So first of all, open your browser. In my case, I'm gonna open OpenGX and search for FLOWGORITHM download. I'm also gonna put the link in the description below to make it easier for you. So let's click the first link, and after that let's click the latest version of FLOWGORITHM, and the download will automatically start on the top right. After that we are gonna search for FLOWGORITHM in the Windows research bar and open FLOWGORITHM setup.zip. And all we need to do is to launch this setup. Once we do this, it opens this window and we have to click next. Here you have to choose your folder and hit next. And after that, you can agree with the policy. If you want, you can read it, but it's safe. So I'm gonna agree it. Click next. So you have to wait patiently for a moment, and then we will have correctly installed and configured FLOWGORITHM. In fact, if we search FLOWGORITHM, here it goes. We have installed FLOWGORITHM. So I hope that videos have been of help to you, and if so, I will be happy if you like it and subscribe to my channel. And if you want, you can comment to give me piece of advice on how to improve myself. And that's it. So see you at the next video.